Alaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to my vlog. And it's just raining in my village. I am just very much happy, too much happy to see all the rain just pouring out of the sky, and I am just being happy. Alhamdulillah, it's raining in my village. You can see the rain all around. Oh, rain. It's just afternoon. No, it's just noon. It's 2 p.m. and it's just raining in my village. You can see the rain. Huh? Oh, my mobile touch is not working. Oh my god. So what to do, I don't know. Hey, just stop. It's not stopping. My mobile camera is just not working because it's just water on my mobile camera. So here you can see the rain coming. You can see the rain. No. It's just raining and I am just very happy. Alhamdulillah. Oh. So I should go because my mobile camera is just not working. Its video is just not stopping and not even just ending. So I have to just minimize the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.